Welcome to The Great Ones, episode 3. I think it's 3. I believe it's 3. Well, anyways, off topic, right? So, I want to talk to you guys today about my L's. Not my wins, not my gains. Everybody does that. Everybody talks about their gains. Oh, like, I got gains, blah, 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 I got gains. Okay. I want to talk to you guys about my L's. Because that's the most important thing. Right? How to be the best at taking losses. A lot of people won't tell you that. They're too shy. They're too scared to talk about their losses. Why? Because they want to have this great persona saying that they're the best at taking profits and blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. I need to stop. I don't care about that. I want you to understand how to take your losses. So I got into a few plays this morning. I didn't have the greatest trading day this morning. Shit happens. I took a L on 2 different calls on shop. 10%. Did I tell you can do that? Interrupting me like that again. Stop. Where was I? Yeah, okay. So I had 2 L's on some shops plays. Right? 10% losses on both. 20% down for the day, whatever. I took a NVIDIA play. I had a 10% loss there too. I had an Apple play. I had a 10% loss there too. So I'm down 40% for the day, right? And they're all 10% losses. Now, had I held some of them, it probably would have been down 20, 30, 40, 50%. My shop plays would have been probably down 60, 80%. But that's the difference. Understanding that, okay, you know what? My analysis was incorrect, so I got to get out of this position. Imagine me trying to hold on to the play and trying to add more to it while shop was still going down. I would have lost even more money. Half of you guys always do that too. You guys keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. And then you full port. Now you don't have any money. And now you're scared. What to do? Stop all that, right? Understand that if your play went wrong, your play went wrong. That's part of the game. I have another play that, it's up about 35% right now. Almost covering my entire loss for the day. Still holding on to that play. I have it above break even right now. Why? And why don't I take the profits at 20% or 30%? Because I'm going to let my winners be winners. And I'm going to cut my losers like it's shiz. It's losers. You got to cut it. You got to cut that thing. A lot of people don't understand that. Stop trading emotionally, right? It's all about, hey, you know what? The analysis was incorrect. You got to get out of the play and go on and move on with it. I could have been like, oh, I'm really so sad. I lost it. No, I don't care. Made a bad play. 4 of them. 4 of them. Bad plays. Happens. To the best. To the greatest. It happens. Anyways, side topic. Real quick question. Have you ever gone into a shower, right? And you're taking a nice long shower. And you're like, it feels really good. And then you stop taking a shower, right? You turn off your shower head. You pull the curtain back. And your towel's not there. And you're like, holy crap, what do? You got people in the living room or outside of your bathroom, and you can't go out naked. So you're like, what do? So there's this little hand towel that you got to clean your entire body with, right? And you just got to do it. But understand that you want to first use that small towel on your face, then your hair, then the rest of your body. Right? You don't want to start from your body to your face to the hair. You don't want to do that. You want to go the opposite direction. Because if you do that, then you basically touching all your entire body parts right on your face. And then you got to take a shower all over again. And then you're going to have no towel again. Anyways, I know, off topic, but that happened to me twice, yesterday and today. And I'm like, oh, crap. So then I had to use a second hand towel. Thank God I had a second hand towel. Otherwise, that would have been bad. I would have to take another shower again, Anyways, off topic. Have a great trading day. Rest of your day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.